Good morning, crypto millionaires. My name is Mr. Crypto, and welcome to today's edition of CNN Network. Here at CNN, we'll be bringing you all the latest cryptocurrency news, unedited, unbiased, and unfiltered. So guys, if you like what you see, please smash the like button and subscribe. Turn your notifications for all latest news. So with all that being said, without further delay, let's get going. Okay. Right. So interesting day today. We've got a few movers. The market has propped itself up recently, and it is moving strong. Let's take a quick whiz through the top 10. Top 10. Now we've got Ethereum still pushing on the 7-day for 27.3%. Doing great things at the moment. Not looking to lag behind at the moment at all. It's doing all the things that we thought it should be doing. We've got Dogecoin still holding the number 4 position, still anticipating that Saturday Night Live event with Elon Musk. Still anticipating a big pump for that. Don't know if it's going to come before the show, during the show, and after the show, but do keep your eye on that just in case. XRP still doing good things at 20.5%, still holding that 5 spot. And we've also got Litecoin as still held its place at number 10, with Uniswap jumping out of the number 10 onto number 11 and swapping places with Bitcoin Cash, which has had a great run recently at 57.5%. We'll have more on that later. So yeah, going down the list, let's have a look at the right side. I'd say it's a mainly green day today. Yeah, so not really a day for buying, just a day for looking at your stack and smiling. Right on to the news. So yeah, as I was saying, we've got the Bitcoin Cash news. Bitcoin Cash jumps 68% due Lumin hard fork to boost BCH user base. Bitcoin Cash is on the march ahead of its upcoming network upgrade. So Bitcoin Cash burst back into the market capitalization top 10 rankings Thursday after a 36% overnight surge compounded 68% growth for the week. The per coin valuation of BCH climbed from $1,068 to $1,462 in under 24 hours leading to Thursday, according to a noticeable increase from its weekly low in the $800 range. The resurgence of what was a mainstay of the top 10 lineup comes just over a week ahead of Bitcoin Cash's scheduled biannual hard fork on the 15th of May, which will introduce 2 small but not insignificant tweaks to the network. So obviously that's why it's had the jump recently, because it was sitting at around $5 for ages. One sees the removal of Bitcoin Cash's unconfirmed transaction chain limit, allowing for more microtransactions to be broadcast without having to wait for a block confirmation. So basically it speeds it up. So that's why any news is good news in the crypto world. And obviously people have jumped onto this. A lot of people will actually, newcomers will think that Bitcoin Cash is actually Bitcoin, just like they think the Ethereum Classic is Ethereum. So you do get a pump from newbies jumping into the market. The number of daily Bitcoin Cash's transactions rose from 20,000 in December to over 150,000 at the time of publication, a 650% increase between February and April. Bitcoin Cash regularly processed more transactions on a daily basis than Bitcoin, peaking at 414,000 to Bitcoin's 229,000 on March 21st. However, the same data source shows less growth in the number of transactions coming from unique addresses, which only increased 25% from 40,000 to 50,000, a figure 1/5 of that seen on Bitcoin. So it's a bit of a mixed bag with this one. Again, for me, it's one for the gamblers. Not really something you should put your money. If you want to put your money in something to do Bitcoin, just put it in Bitcoin. But yeah, it's one for the gamblers. If you want to take a punt on this, just make sure you keep an eye on it. But yeah, it's all good because it's still good news for Bitcoin, and it puts it out there. And the more people that jump into the space, the better. Obviously, they'll make the mistake at the beginning, but they'll get it in the end. So next news, we got Cryptocom announces partnership with Italian football league Lega Serie A So if you don't know, Crypto.com do a few partnerships. They are good with their partnerships. They're copying obviously the lead from Chili's, where Chili's are doing NFTs, and they're doing quite well. So Crypto.com are always trying to innovate and keep up with the competition. So this is good news. As part of the partnership, the Italian Football League will release a series of NFTs at the 2021 Coppa Italia final at the Mapelli Stadium in Reggio Emilia. This will mark the first time the two finalists, Atlanta and Juventus, meet at the Italian final. We are extremely proud to announce this prestigious partnership with Crypto.com, a leading company in the world of cryptocurrencies and NFTs. We are the first football league in the world to sign an agreement in this new market, which is extremely innovative and relevant not only for sports fans, where other world-class leagues such as the NBA have been operating in recent months. Crypto.com recently launched Crypto.com NFT, a platform that enables users to trade and collect NFTs, a move from the Crypto.com platform that positions them as a key player in the NFT and digital collectible market. Recently, Crypto.com released an exclusive collections from Snoop Dogg, Boy George, and Alex Mansour. So again, Crypto.com are trying to be the leader in the emerging NFT market. So it's good news if you're a Crypto.com holder. Obviously, their shares will start to go up as this starts to get adopted. So it's all bullish news for the space. Right. So we've got bullish Ethereum news now as well. A lot of bullish news in the media today. That's good news for the space. Obviously, we're getting up to the halfway point, I believe, of the bull run. So this is when things really start to kick off. So we've got 1 million DeFi users now on Ethereum, 50% more since January the 1st. So despite exponential growth of decentralized finance, DeFi of the past year, DeFi users only represent 1% of total Ethereum's addresses, according to a report on Ethereum's DeFi ecosystem on Q1 2021 released by CoinCensus. There are now over 150 million unique Ethereum addresses as of May the 5th. The number of DeFi users, 1.75 million. While still small for now, it's growing fast, increasing by 50% in the first quarter of 2021. So ETH, which has a total market value of about 400 billion, is the second largest cryptocurrency by market value after Bitcoin, and the vast majority of DeFi protocols and stablecoins operate on the Ethereum network. There is over 93 billion in total value locked on DeFi protocols on Ethereum, and over 136 billion total value locked across different blockchains according to DeFi Llama. So again, if you don't know, Ethereum is much more than just a coin. It's a network. It's a means of payment. It's a gas system, as you put it. The gas to buy these coins that you see on ICOs, like the initial coin offerings. A lot of these coins you can only get by buying them with Ethereum. So that is why the price of Ethereum will continue to rise, and it will become a deflationary asset, where the actual price, the actual amount produced will decrease, meaning that the price will go up. So it is a good one for the future. If you did miss out on Bitcoin, I do suggest, this is not financial advice, but I do suggest you do take a good look on Ethereum. Alright, so finishing off now with just a bit of TA on the Bitcoin side of things, just to see where we are. As you can see, we've been following this channel for a while now. It recently jumped out of it, and we are waiting for it to get back to get back onto track to continue this growth here. As you can see right now, we're sitting at the 57 level. We've had an alright jump today. We're trying to stay above on this 20 day AMA, and we're trying to basically space ourselves out from these two here. So look, yeah, if we can increase the distance between these two and turn this to the upside, then we should be happy days. We need the volume to increase, really. We need some more balls to step in to try and push the price up a little bit. You can see that we are a little bit away from here. How long have we got? We've got around we've got to do at least 8.23% to get back on track. So we've got a little bit to go. It could take a few days, but yeah, it's better than it being back down where it was a few days ago. Oh, it seems to bounce back fairly good, and we are creating this sort of staircase pattern, as you can see. Let's get this back. We are creating one of these patterns, so if we can continue this up, we should be all right. Yeah, so just a little quick one on the TA side of things today. Hope you've enjoyed today's edition. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. We're always trying to build a more knowledgeable community here at CNN, and I hope you enjoy your day. All right, see you in the next one. Bye bye.